Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see how we enable the JavaScript in different browsers. So I have given some examples from where we can enable the JavaScript for the different browsers. The first one is starting with Internet Explorer. So these are the steps you can follow to activate or to enable the JavaScript for that browser. So for Internet Explorer, we can go to the tools internet option, then securities. There is option custom level where you can find scripting option. You can just enable that option button under the active scripting. So for Chrome also, these are the settings, and for Microsoft Edge and the Firefox. So I will show you how to activate the JavaScript for Chrome, Edge and Internet Explorer. I don't have Firefox currently installed on my machine, so these are the steps you can follow if you are using Firefox browser. So I will just give you the example here first, starting with Chrome. So in Chrome, you just need to go to the settings. Then in settings, go to the privacy and security. These are the tabs you can see at the left panel. Go to the privacy and security. In that you can see the under the privacy and security site settings are there. So in this you just need to go to this content section. You can see that there is a option JavaScript. So go here and just default behavior, you just need to select sites can use JavaScript. Okay, so you just enable this from here so that whenever you are using JavaScript with Chrome browser, it will get executed correctly. Okay, so this is for Chrome browser. For Internet Explorer, I have opened the Explorer here. Here there is option tools. From tools, go to the Internet options. Here you can see these are the different tabs. Go to the security tab. In security tab, you can see the custom level button. This will open the security settings. From that, you need to go to the, you can see here, for this, scripting option you need to check. So for scripting option, just check here. Where can we see? Okay. Here is the scripting option. So you just need to go to the scripting, active scripting, and check that this option is selected, enable. So just make OK. Then this browser is also ready to go to use for the JavaScript. The next browser is Microsoft Edge. So in Edge, you go to the settings. Settings, you can see these are the different options here. From this, you need to check for the one with cookies and site permission. So we need to give the site permission for the JavaScript. So go to this cookies and site permission. Into that, go to this all permissions section. Here you can see we have this option JavaScript. So you just need to allow this. This is recommended. Most of the time it is on by default. You just need, go and check if it is enabled. So if you want to disable JavaScript for the Edge, you can just disable it from here and enable. So I have shown you how to do that for these three browsers. For Firefox, you can follow these steps here. Okay. So next is uh, if you are using some non-JavaScript browser, then how to give the warning for that? Means browser where the JavaScript is not present. So if you have to do something important using JavaScript, then you can display warning message to the user using no script tag. So we there is a tag like no script we can use. You can add a no script block immediately after the script block as follows. So in your program, after your script block is ended, here you can just add this no script, sorry, JavaScript is needed to go ahead. So these three line code should be added for the no, non-JavaScript browsers so that we can go and get the JavaScript enabled for that browser. So this is all about for this tutorial. We have seen how to enable the JavaScript in different browsers. And if not, how to give the warning for the non-JavaScript browsers. Thank you so much for watching the video.